You are looking at our UV lamp, designed to replace Philips TUV 325 lamps in bactericidal UV units. This is a low-pressure amalgam ozone-free quartz lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Features: the lamp has 2 ceramic sockles with 4 pins on one side. The power is 280 watts. Operating current is 2 amps. The power of OF radiation is 100 watts. Dimensions: the length of the lamp is 1580 millimeters. Arc length 1480 meter. The diameter of the tube is 19 millimeters. The diameter of the sockle is 23 millimeter. The service life is 16,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each lamp is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have all kinds of components in stock, just as long as patriotic rigs have them. Lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connector. The inner surface of all our lamps carries a special UVL-LivePower Plus compound developed by our engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the effective life of the lamps. To order this lamp and other equipment, you can fill out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.